perspective. captain has turned on the seatbelt and subscribe sign, so please remain in your seats and hit that subscribe button. Don't leave us in a holding pattern now. So much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this flight. We are a new channel, so thank you to everyone who has subscribed, liked or commented. We really appreciate it. If you haven't already, then go ahead. It doesn't cost a thing and it means we can keep bringing you aviation goodness every week. We'll be back for Takeoff Sundays, so until then, cheerio.